So I wanted to give a little more instruction this week on the Truth Tables Desk Check assignment. And the reason I'm doing that is the way that the desk check is set up is not immediately intuitive on some of these problems, and so I wanted to give a little more instruction. The point of several of these examples is to kind of do a proof on a certain equation, that the equation is true, a Boolean logic equation. And so basically, the clue that you're going to get is basically, but this equation here is what you're trying to do the proof on. So we're doing an A and B XOR not A or B, right? So the same way that you would solve this in the reading, or the way that the reading is described, you would solve here. And the secret is going to be order of operations, right? When you look at this statement here, you're going to do the order of operations first. So A and B, right? So that is going to be true. And then the next thing you would do was the A or B over here. Oh, excuse me, that's going to be false because we've got two falses. And then over here, A or B is also going to be false. But then you need to do the not on the A or B. And so the box over here is basically given to you so that you have a place to put where the not is going to be. So the not on this A and B is going to go in here, which is going to be true. And then you're going to do the XOR on the false and the true, which is also going to be true. So then you can do your check there. And just to clarify it just a little bit more, we'll look at the bottom one down here. Once again, the proof that we got is A or B or C, right, is going to be equal to A or B, A or B or C, right? So they're showing you that the order of operations around the side is going to prove that those two are equal. So you've got the equal sign here down the middle, so no boxes here, and then basically you've got the two columns on either side which represent each of these individual equations. So you notice you've got two equations here, two separate equations here, and so you'll do those on either side. So once again, order of operations are going to be important. Let's skip down here to where we've got a mixture of things going on. So A or B, right, on A or B is going to be true. And then you have a true or C. C is false, so that's going to be true because we have a true in there. And then over here we're going to do B or C, right, which we've got true or false on B or C, so that is going to be true, which you're going to be left with false, which is the A in this column, or what we did over here. So false or true, which is going to give us a true. And if I do my check down here, you'll notice that all those are correct. So I hope that gives you a little more insight as to how these are structured and set up. Order of operations is important. Look at these equations here. They'll give you a clue as to what these boxes are trying to represent for you. And I hope that helps. Thank you.